Welcome to day 2 of the Cosmic Clarity channel. Now, maybe you would be thinking, or many of you thinking, what is astrology? Well, typically, most people think astrology is about predicting the future, but actually, astrology is about understanding yourself. Astrology is a study of how the positions of planet at the time of your birth, planet or planets, different combinations of the planets. Astrology is the study of how the position of planets at the time of your birth creates a unique blueprint of your life. This blueprint is called your birth chart. It shows your personality, your strengths, your challenges, your career patterns, relationships, and even the timing of major events. It's not superstition, it's a cosmic map of tendencies and possibilities. When you understand astrology, you don't fear the future, you understand it. And that's the real power of astrology. So continue to watch my channel. We'll be coming up with more and more such short videos. Thank you.